welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making banana cranberry muffins. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna start with the banana. Just peel this off. Now just throw this in here. We're creaming the banana. Now let's add the butter. And you go. Now let's add the egg and vanilla. So we scrape down our bowl. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Now we add the sugars. White sugar. And then brown sugar. Mix it up. Let's add the flour. So now we're gonna add cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Now we raise the bowl, and all you have to do is turn it on one.
Let this mix for about a minute. Just until thoroughly blended. Scrape down your bowl and mix on medium.
Now we add the cranberries. Beat them up, mix it. Now my dad is gonna scoop it and put it in a baking tin.
A muffin tin. You be making stuff up, huh?
I guess so. That looks good. Now we added the crumb topping.
Get a tight shot. There you
go. Dad, what are those called?
This is your crumb topping.
Yeah, but what are those stuff?
It's made from sugar, flour, butter, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now let's get it in the oven. And you go, muffins. Set your timer to 35 minutes. So here is our Cooking with Kid Troy hot pads.
Cool. We gotta take our hot pads and get these muffins. Let's take a look at them.
Oh, they're actually done pretty early.
Well, we gotta check them. Okay, how do you check your muffins?
using a stick, of course.
Okay. Take a toothpick, stick it down in the middle of the muffin, pull it out. Okay. Looks like it's about done. Almost. It's not coming out too clean. Just leave it in for another 3 to 5 minutes. So they're done earlier than I expected.
Yep.
Oh, that looks perfect. Look at that.
Yep, that looks so good. They also smell good. Now my dad's gonna kiss them with a little bit of melted butter.
Uh-oh. Got that hole.
Look at that. Now here's our banana cranberry muffins. That looks delicious. So delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.